What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at Epic Waters Grand Prairie, which is Texas's largest indoor water park. I'm here with my mom. How you doing?
Hello.
Hello. And we are going to tear this place up. So let's get inside and have some fun. Here we go, guys. Epic Waters. It's been a little over a year since I've been back here. And I can't wait to get inside. So Epic Waters doesn't really have a ton of like really amazing slides. You'll see when we get inside, they have some pretty cool ones, but there actually is one that was closed last time we were here that I'm gonna be riding for the first time today. So yeah, I'm gonna get a new slide credit today and I'm super excited about it. So yeah, let's get inside and let's have some fun. All right, guys, we made it into Epic Waters. Check out those water slides. Can't wait to get on them. All right, guys, so since this is a water park and I didn't bring a waterproof case or anything, I'm not gonna be recording my experiences on the rides. I'm gonna go try to see if I can ride everything real quick. And then once I'm done, I'm just gonna go ahead and get my camera out. And then I'm going to just go around the park and show it to you guys. It's pretty cool. Like, it's a lot of slides over there. You got that big boy in the back there, the upside down one, and then there's that blue and green slide over there. That's the one that I haven't gone on yet. So yeah, I will touch base with you guys once I'm done riding everything. All right, peace. All right, guys, so I have done every single major ride twice. So I'm just gonna go around, show you guys the park, tell you guys about my experiences on every ride, and we'll go from there. So let's do it. All right, guys, so one of the first rides that we did today is the Yellow Jacket Drop. It is basically this tube slide, and it has a giant boomerango style drop. You go down the little drop, you go up, half pipe, you go all the way down. Pretty fun. I like it a lot. Nowhere near the sense as Two of San Antonio's Valhalla Wave, but it is a pretty good ride. Above us right now is the Aquanaut. It seems like a regular tube slide, but it has these, let me get a better angle of it. It has these little domes that you go in. They kind of resemble mini funnels, like you've been on a water slide, like a funnel, like a tornado style funnel. But yeah, this was a new ride that I did today. I've never done it before, but it was pretty fun. I liked it a lot. So yeah, it was pretty good. One thing that's kind of cool about this park is that, as you can see, some of the rides actually go outside. 3 of them go outside. You see the Aquanaut, there's Yellow Jacket Duck, and then over there is part of the Texas Twist. I'll talk more about that in a minute when we get over there, but yeah, those are the ones that go outside. Alright, so this is the other one that I went on, called the Texas Twist. Your basic body slide. I went really, really fast. So yeah, it was pretty fun. But yeah, just your basic body slide. If you don't have a shirt on like I did, then you will go really, really fast. I found that to be pretty fun, so yeah, pretty great. So one thing that I'm noticing watching back some of those clips I just did, it's really, really loud in here. So what I'm gonna do is when I'm showing you all the rides, I'm gonna be taking my mask off like this so I can talk and you guys can hear me. But yeah, you do have to have masks on. That is a requirement here at Epic Waters. But yeah, but I want to make it so that you guys can actually hear what I'm saying. So hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm trying to talk as loud as I can without like practically screaming. But yeah, there's that. So the last couple of slides that you can find here at Epic Waters are the E-Racers, which is this mat slide right here. It's a 4-person mat slide. You can see up there, you're gonna go around in a circle and then you drop down all the way down there like those people just did. Over here are the 2 really intense slides. Right here, I don't know if you can see it too well because the slide's blocking. Let me move over here a little bit. This red one right here is just your normal straight down water slide. It's called the Prairie Plunge.
It's pretty fun. You're, like I said, your basic straight down water slide. You just go straight down. Yeah, really fun. But the crown jewel here at Epic Waters is Lasso Loop. When I first came here, this slide piqued my interest because I have never gone on an aqua loop before. But this ride is so much fun, so intense. You go to the top of that little tower up there, and you get a little capsule and you drop down, and you do go upside down. You see those little spots up there, you do go upside down. It's really fun. Here comes people coming out of the e-racers. Woo! You drop down right over here. It is a very intense water slide. Not for the faint of heart. My one complaint about the e-racers though, is that when you're going through the whole entire slide, the water just splashes in your face like crazy, and you're not able to see like where you're going. So it kind of blinds you at the end. You can put sunglasses on. I didn't need to because it's an indoor park. But yeah, you definitely can. But yeah, just a slight warning there. So yeah. So they have a flow rider here as well. It's a artificial surfing wave. Oh, he messed up. It's an artificial surfing wave. You can either do boogie boards like those ones right there, or you can use those and like surf like that guy was doing. I did this earlier and I had a pretty good time on it, and my mom actually recorded me on it, so here's that footage right now. It definitely takes a lot of skill to be able to do the boogie bond. I mean, if you've never done it before, it's kind of hard, but I have a little bit of experience on them. As you guys saw in that clip, I don't really know how to do all like the fancy tricks and stuff, so I was kind of just floating back and forth. Tried to go on my knees, that didn't work too well. But yeah, we have one of these in Schlitterbahn at New Braunfels. It was actually, I think it was the original one too. Called the Boogie Bond. I know it's called the Flow Rider, but I always call them the Boogie Bond because, you know what, man? It sounds better than Flow Rider, I'll tell you that much. But yeah, so very fun one. Keep in mind though, there are like a lot of professionals who come and do that. So yeah, you may be waiting a while because those guys are really good at their jobs. So yeah. So right here is their lazy river. And it is one of the shallowest lazy rivers I've ever seen. It's basically 3 feet deep all the way around. And yeah, it's kind of bad. You can't really stand in it too well. But yeah, it goes all the way around the park over there. Yeah, it's super deep. You have tubes here, the clear ones, and the little blue and white ones for the little kids. It does provide some waves in there, like towards the back. But they're like little tiny waves, not nearly as big as the ones in the Torrent River at Schlitterbahn, but yeah, probably one of the worst lazy rivers I've ever been in. I'm gonna go that far. This is the front entrance right here. You can actually go, there's a gift shop in here. I'll buy some stuff later. There's some t-shirts that I really like. But they also have like an arcade in here. Let's go check out the arcade. A lot of cool rides, or a lot of cool games you can do in there. I'm not sure if I want to do the arcade today. We did get 2 free cards. But I don't know if I want to do it today. Maybe I'll come back some other time and do it, but yeah. This is their food station called the Hungry Wave. Get a little view at some of the foods they offer. They got pizza, they got sandwiches, they got hot dogs, burgers, chicken. They got some more stuff over here. They got nachos. They have like on the side like onion rings and french fries and pretzels. They got churros and cookies and of course the beverages. Yeah, lots of options. Pretty great. They do have lockers here that you can buy or rent for the day. Yeah, they got big ones, they got medium ones, and they got little ones over there. So, not sure the price of the lockers. Let's go ahead and look right now. So here are the prices on the lockers. A standard locker is $8, a large is $12, and a jumbo locker is $14. Not too bad, not too bad. They have this cool little kids area too with a couple of slides. There's an orange one back there. There's a blue one, I don't know if y'all can see it. There's a yellow one. Yeah, a little kids area for the kids. They have a dump bucket right there. Yeah, here's a better view of the big slide tower. Check out that loop, guys. That's amazing. It's such a fun ride. The final area of the park is the swimming hole. You have like some basketball hoops here. Got some like little squirt guns, like a little shark that you can ride on. Yeah, so if you want to come play some basketball in the water, you come over here and do it. Pretty fun. Something that they also have during the warm seasons is this wave pool. It is unfortunately closed today because it is pretty cold outside. But yeah, you can come here and chill out in the wave pool. This is the second time that I've come that I haven't experienced the wave pool, but you know what? It's okay. I'm totally okay with that. We are enjoying some pizza, taking in this beautiful view of the water slides, and watching some volleyball. Good life, right? Yep. Something funny about the park is that they have signature cocktails named after some of the rides. They got Lasso Loop, Prairie Plunge, and Texas Twist. That is awesome. Alright guys, one last look at Epic Waters, Grand Prairie before we leave for the day. An amazing water park. Alright guys, so we are finished at Epic Waters. Check out that sign illuminated in the background, it's really cool. I love this water park, one of my favorites.
It's epic.
Got to do everything twice today. Got a new slide credit, which I'm always happy about. And yeah, we are wrapping up for the day, but we'll be back tomorrow at Six Flags Over Texas. See you guys then. Thank y'all for watching. Goodbye.